Hello, Stu's here. Today I want to show you how to hide someone's face with an emoji. So hop into Blender, go into the VFX motion tracking workspace. Once you get there, you can load in your footage. I'm using the same footage that I used last time in the previous tutorial, and you can find it on Pixabay. Link in the description. And once we have it loaded in, let's just go prefetch it. You would set scene frames, but I don't need to because I'm not working with the entire video here, because it would just slow down my computer. Plus with the screen recorder on, it wouldn't work very well for a tutorial. Now that the prefetching is done, let's set it to location, rotation and scale for the tracker, and we add a new tracker. Or we can control and click anywhere on the image to add a tracker. We can open the tracker bar, it gives us a magnified view, and then we track forward. Okay, that's pretty seamless. Now let's go down to set up background. So we set up the image in the camera of the 3D workspace. Now when we go up to geometry, we link empty to track. And this will link our tracker to an empty, which means that a tracker can be visible in the 3D view. It's visible in 3D space because the empty is empty. It doesn't render out. It's like a tool that isn't visible in your final product. So now we go into the camera in the 3D workspace and we enable the add-on called import images as plane. So we type in just plane. Make sure the add-on is enabled. Shift A and image, import image as planes. Now select whatever image you want to, whatever emoji you want or whatever image you want to overlay. Let's go into look dev mode so we can see the actual image, and we just reposition it and rotate it around until it fits the person's face. We can shift select the tracker and press Ctrl P. Now when we play the video, it follows like magic. It follows the movement of the tracker, which is pretty awesome. Except you can't see the image here, but it is there, and that's because we have the background image of the person loaded in the camera already. So if we disable that, then you can see it is visible, just not in the viewport right now. But when we render it out, it will be visible. So we go into the compositor, and we add an alpha over node, which is a merge node, and shift control click on the render layers to see the backdrop, and we plug it into the compositor, of course, the alpha over. Now let's get a movie clip, so we can load in the movie. We can click the drop down and select our movie that's already loaded in and plug it into the alpha over. Now if you don't actually see anything different like here, we can swap them around because they must be the wrong way around, and there we go. Now we can see it fine. We go into view and fit, so we get a good view of what's going on. And this is practically done, except well, the face, the emoji can be a bit better, so you can go and readjust it in a 3D workspace. Alright, now all we need to do is to set up the render. So we can just deal with one sample because they have predefined resolutions. Now let's go down to FFmpeg and select the H.264 container, and let's find the file output location. And you just click accept, and you're ready to render. Thank you very much for making it to the end of the video. Please subscribe if you want to see more content just like this.